You want to create a bundle that has absolutely no complementary products whatsoever that go together in any logical way. I'm not saying that's wise, but if you've ever tried to create a bundle on Amazon, going through those pages and pages of rules that constantly change, eBay says, sure, whatever you want to do, throw it all in a box and sell these 9 things that don't go together. We don't care. Wow. I mean, can you just imagine the freedom of being able to bundle anything? So sell your bundles on eBay if you also sell them on Amazon. You don't have to worry about making sure the rules overlap. They don't. As a matter of fact, here are the top 10 rules for bundling on eBay. If you don't follow these rules, eBay will close your account. Memorize them. Learn those rules. Once you learn those rules, you can sell any bundle that you put together. No big deal. If you've sold bundles on Amazon before, that kind of blows your mind that there's no rules on eBay. Amazon has good reason to have some of their bundling rules, but you don't have to follow them on eBay. eBay's CEO recently said that eBay works for its not buyers. eBay works for its sellers. eBay makes it very clear to its sellers, you work for the buyers. We work for you. Wow. I mean, that's pleasant. If you've sold on other platforms, that's amazing. And they constantly prove that. Most sellers never learn the eBay dominating concepts. That's why we're here. That's why they're not profitable. Ryan, I'm here for everyone to make some more money. So
Absolutely.
butter us up, Ryan. We are on a roll. Being highly successful is not an art, it's a science on eBay. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.